Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access the cabin air filter on a 2011 to 2016 Hyundai Elantra. So we'll take a look at it, and if it's dirty then we know that we have to change it. Let's get started. Step 1, make sure the vehicle is parked and the engine's turned off. And step 2 is this. Alright, so the cabin air filter is right behind this glove box, so we'll open it. Now the glove box is held in position by the one stopper here and another stopper right there. So we're going to unscrew them. Unscrew, one comes out, unscrew, the second one comes out. Now the glove box is out of the way, don't lose them. Now, so the cabin air filter is right behind this black housing cover over here. Alright, so we're going to take it out. It's held in place by clips over here and clips over there. Alright, so I'm gonna go in there and take them out. You probably won't be able to see it as to how I actually push on them, but once I get it out I'll show you. Alright, so go in, get these clips out. So this is what I did. See these clips here? Just push on it and just pull it out. It should come right out. Now that this is out of the way, keep it aside, don't lose it. You can see the cabin filter. It's that white element over there. We're gonna pull it out. The way to do it is there's a little bit of a gap right on top of it. You can put a couple fingers there and pull it out there gently. Okay. Okay, now that it's out, you can see it. This is really bad. And this is the dirty side. This is the clean side. It even shows you where the arrow shows over here, where the airflow direction is. This is where the air comes in from outside, gets filtered, then goes to the blower motor, which then blows it in the vehicle. So now that I know it's dirty, we'll go get a new one and then replace it later. But for now, we're just gonna put everything back in. So same process in reverse order. This slides back in. Alright. Okay, so now that that's done, we'll put the black cover on it again. One side done, second side done. Clipped in place. Now we will put the stopper back on. So it should be right over there. Okay. Put this in. Screw it. Done. Same thing on the other side. Okay, then screw it. Done. Close the glove box. That's it. Thank you for watching.